Good morning, students. Myself Ranjana Misra, taking the class biology. Today's topic is the respiratory system. Why we need food? You know, the food is necessary for getting energy. And where from you get energy? You get energy in the form of glucose. When we take the food, it converted into glucose and getting him energy. The respiration is essential life processes, and the respiration is a process of releasing energy by breakdown of food needed for various life activities. You know, the glucose is made up of three compounds, C6, H12 and O6. This is the organic compound, and many organic substances oxidize and giving energy. The respiration is of two types. First, aerobic respiration that release oxygen. You know, the muscles cell contract for movement. Plant cells roots absorb water from soil and minerals from soil, and so on. And the brain cells receive and disperse the message to the brain and other part of the body. For many life processes, the energy is necessary. So, where from we get energy? This is the real, the aerobic respiration that utilize oxygen, and then the anaerobic respiration that does not utilize oxygen. It means where the oxygen is oxidized, that is called the aerobic respiration, and where the oxygen is not oxidized, that is anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration found in many bacteria and fungus. Aerobic respiration is found in human beings and other vertebrates. Here is the pathway of respiration. The simple pathway of respiration is that we take the oxygen in nose, then nose to pharynx, then larynx, then trachea, then bronchi, and then lungs. You have nose, and nose having the two chambers having hair and mucous substances. Hair and mucous substances, when we getting the air from the environment, that is very dustful. So the nose hairs and mucus, it filter, and then this air is go on pharynx. In pharynx there is a long systematic types pipe. This is called as food pipe, and food pipes having the upper part and then lower part. Lower part attached with larynx, and here the food particles and other substances directly mouth and nose is attached, and then here divided into larynx. Larynx attached the airs, and the voice is changes. The voice is changes and work as the vocal sac. Commonly called as larynx is known as vocal sac. And then vocal sacs, the air is passed on and then go to the trachea. The trachea of the upper part having the epiglottis, and epiglottis attached with bronchi. Whenever the trachea open, the food particles and other substances goes down in the air, goes down to air, and the trachea is filled. When we cough and sneezing and food particles comes out, then trachea goes down to bronchi, air passed through in bronchi. Bronchi in the two forms here divided, and the plural form is bronchioles and singular form is bronchi. Bronchi goes down to the lungs. Lungs are two in the case of human beings. One is polar and one larynx. So the exchanges of gases in the environment to the body substances, we take the oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide, the respiration takes place. The process is very necessary for you. That is all, and next video we tell about the other system, that is excretory system. Thank you so much.